Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today's video is going to be my what I got for Christmas video. So before we get started, I did want to point out a couple of things. I will try to link to everything I'm wearing down below. I am wearing the Elisa Rinna Beauty lipstick in Troublemaker, and since you'll probably see this in an upcoming haul, I wanted to show the color. I think it's really pretty. Big fan. And then I also wanted to go over the annual Christmas disclaimer. This is what I got for Christmas. Perhaps your family gets more for Christmas. Perhaps your family gets less for Christmas. It is just a look at what I got. It is by no means meant to make anyone feel bad about what they did or didn't get. So just so that's out there. I also am not going to be showing any cash I got, which was a majority this year because people just didn't feel like going out shopping, and I don't blame them. I also get like those little lottery scratchers. I'm not showing any of that stuff. I also got a wine glass tumbler from my boss I don't have here to show, and I haven't exchanged with friends or anything yet. So this is just what I've gotten so far. So if it seems like I got a lot or didn't get very much at all from certain people or whatever, it's not the full picture. You are seeing a curated glance into what I got. And then the one last disclaimer I need to share with you guys is I did injure my finger pretty bad yesterday. I got a nasty cut. So I do have this ugly band-aid on my hand, and we're just gonna have to work with it. I had a Pyrex slipping out of my hands. I was trying to catch it, and I caught it exactly when it shattered and hit the ground. So yeah, that is why I have this attractive band-aid on my finger. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into what I got for Christmas. So we'll start with some of the things Austin got me. He got me a few different Schitt's Creek merchandise type items. So he got me a Rosebud Motel keychain, which is so exciting. I have been needing a new keychain actually for my keys. Why is it not really focusing? There we go. And I love this. I just think it's so cute that it's shaped like a motel keychain. Love it. He also got me the Rose Video t-shirt, which I love, and then a sweatshirt with the Rose Apothecary logo. So I'm very excited about this stuff. I love Schitt's Creek, and I'm very happy to have some Schitt's Creek merchandise. Austin also got me a pair of shoes this year. He got me the vegan Doc Martens. I have worn these around the house like 2 days in a row now, trying to break them in. It's gonna take a little more work. Apparently the vegan ones tend to be a little more stiff, so they need more working in, but I am so excited about them. I wore them with an outfit to, this is so exciting, to PetSmart to just go pick up dry food for the cat. That was their first outing, so I love these. I do wish that Doc Martens did the white ones in a vegan option, because I really want the white ones. They're super cute. But I have some different white boots in the mail right now that you'll probably see in my January video if they ever get here. I ordered them from a store that is about 40 minutes from our house, and they somehow ended up in Florida, which is hilarious. You just have to laugh at that. So yeah, you'll see them in a future video, but I love these. They're so fun, and I am so excited to have them. For some things in my stocking, I got this Pacifica Lavender Moon Body Lotion. Love Pacifica. Always need lotion. Come on. Focus. This camera is not having it today. There we go. The packaging is always so beautiful with Pacifica. And then I know I had chocolate in my stocking from Austin. I don't know which chocolate it was. I don't think it's any of the chocolate I have here actually. Maybe it's this one? Everyone gave me chocolate this year. Apparently that was a thing. So I Got some Endangered Species chocolate, which is one of my favorite brands. I really like that. And then from my mom, I have the Love, Beauty, and Planet bath bombs. So she got the argan oil and lavender and the murmur butter and rose. So these are labeled as vegan. It's a more controversial brand, but I'm gonna use them. I don't know that I'd purchase from this brand myself, just because they are owned by Unilever, and it's just kind of murky on the cruelty-free vegan line. But being gifted it, I'm definitely gonna use it, and I think they smell amazing. And you know what, she really went out of her way to try and find something labeled vegan for me, and I think that's so special. And she also gave me some chocolate. We have the Lily's Sea Salt Extra Dark Chocolate and the Who Salty Dark Chocolate. Lots of dark chocolate coming my way this year. Oh, and she also got me some Pacifica face masks. She knows I enjoy doing those. And I think that might be all I can show you from my mom. Austin's mom, and there's only one pack of these left because these are my favorite candy and I annihilate these. She got me a bunch of Apple Now and Laters, and she also got me more chocolate. And this is more like chocolate I'd probably bake with, I think. But the 90% and 70% cacao from Lindt, which are vegan friendly. She also got me from Hot Ones the Stay Spicy set. It came with a couple of stickers, a Heaton sticker and a Hot Ones logo. And I've already opened all of these and tried them, so that's why they don't have seals on them. So it has the last dab, which I didn't find that aggressively hot, to be honest. It's labeled 10 out of 10 on their heat index, but I didn't think it was that bad. Is it just me? Has anyone else tried this? Austin even tried it, and he can't do heat, and it was hot for him, but it was not like unbearable. So I don't know, Hot Ones. And then we got both of the Los Calientes sauces. So the red one, which I actually used quite a bit of on my breakfast the other day, and the green one. And both of these are delicious. This to me feels like more like something you put on a burrito bowl. From my brother, he got me exactly what I got him to some degree, a gift card. So I just got him and his wife a gift card, and he got me and my husband a gift card. Super easy. This is a Visa gift card, MasterCard gift card, so you can use it anywhere. Kind of love that. Nice and simple. That's the gifting I like. And then Austin's dad got me and him a joint gift. Well, he gives us cash, and he got me a bottle of wine. But he also got us this really, really special gift that he had handmade. And it is a pencil portrait of Franny. Oh, you're going to see all the reflection on that, but look at that. There we go. It's not as reflective. Look at that. I just love it. Apparently there is a man that lives where his wife's mother lives that does these custom portraits. So he had one of Franny made for us and one of Austin's brother's dog made for him. And I love this. I have no idea where we're gonna hang it. I want to hang it somewhere where we can both appreciate it, since we both love our little Franny cat. But I haven't decided on a place just yet. So I'm really excited about this. I just think it's so special. Such a nice, thoughtful gift. I love that. And so that is everything I have to share with you guys in my What I Got for Christmas video. I feel like I'm missing something, but it must not be big, because this is definitely all the major stuff I got. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed your holiday, whether you celebrate this one or another one, or you don't celebrate anything at all. I hope you just had a lovely late December, and I hope you are all going to have an amazing new year. Stay home, stay cozy, stay safe, make some snacks. I've been thinking about making nachos maybe, and just enjoy your family or your roommates or whoever you live with, and have a wonderful start to 2021. And I personally don't think 2021 is going to be a whole lot different than 2020, but hopefully we can all embrace it with a fresh mindset as an opportunity to really be better people and better take care of one another. So if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!